Hey guys, Steve back with you. This is my video for the National Beach Day build. Paco's Diecast Garage and Paintz Wicked put out there. Anybody could participate. Build a VW bug with a beach theme. Now I didn't have any video of actually building the car, but this is the casting I thought I had used for the build, and I discovered a couple of days ago that that is not the one I used. I actually used this one, which is a matchbox. Now I talked to Paco and asked him about using a matchbox, but he said to use a Hot Wheels. Well, I don't know how in the world I got them. Went in one ear and out the other, I guess. Anyway, I used this casting, and so I didn't exactly play by the rules. This is the car I came up with. Let me get in a little closer there. Just painted her white and put the white wheels on. You can tell that's the matchbox casting because it's got the little trailer hitch on the back. That's how I knew it was matchbox. Anyway, I got that roof rack off of a VW bus and had to cut it down quite a bit to get it to fit on that little bug. And then it of course had the surfboards on it. Then added the flower decals and peace signs. Now it just so happens that when I did this, I was doing another bug, which was the Baja bug, which is a Hot Wheels casting. So I guess I could use that one for the build, but I preferred the white one. So I had one matchbox and one Hot Wheels. Now I got these done at least a month ago, and I got to thinking, I had this old scene from the Matchbox Premium set that had the 62 Chevy in it, so I made a diorama. Let me cut this off here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Might recognize that from a premium set. And I added the figures and the umbrella and the surfboards here and the tree and the grass. And these are all glued down. They're not going anywhere. So I figured that'd help with the beach scene. Like that. And then I had this little van that I added. This is a little majorette van. The only thing I did was just stick some decals on it. Put a little rat fink on the surfboard. I'll stick that one there. So that's the way it ended up. One matchbox, one Hot Wheels. So I didn't go by the rules completely, but had fun doing this. It was a lot of fun. I appreciate y'all putting that out. And enjoy doing the diorama too. So anyway, guys, that's it. Look forward to seeing everybody else's videos today on the beach build. Talk to y'all later.